from Barcelona. So today is officially our first day. Dumating ako dito kahapon around 10 p.m. and nag-dinner lang kami. Hindi na ako nag-vlog, so I'm officially starting our Barcelona trip today. Dito tayo ngayon sa metro. See? And ayun yung group namin. We're going to the second part of the tour. Galing kaming Gothic Quarters kanina. Where, babe, what's Gothic Quarter?
It's a really nice place.
With all the history. And now we're going to the new city. Huh? And we're going to ride the metro to see Casa Padlo and Casa Mila.
Are you enjoying yourself so far?
Yeah. And it's not that hot. No, I was expecting it to be super hot. We were walking for how long? 2 hours already. Doesn't feel like it. How do you call the plaza over there?
Plaza.
Huh?
Plaza.
Plaza. Huh?
Plaza.
lakad-lakad lang kami sa park. And that's our view. So pretty, love. Barcelona, no? Wow, that's so cool. So we just got back sa hotel. It's been a long day, It's 7 p.m. and sobrang liwanag pa sa labas. Look, I'll show you. See? The sun is still up. I think ang sunset dito is around 9 or 10 p.m. We're just gonna rest for a bit and then we're gonna head out again later for dinner. And maybe we'll see the beach sa Barceloneta. We'll see what the plans are. We're not really strict sa itinerary. So, I had Barceloneta planned for tonight, but let's see where it goes.
Oh my god.
Gaudi, you wouldn't want to know. Pretty hard.
Al lado también, que va a ser su primera vez probando peruano. Y you want just the regular meat, right? Y el lomo saltado para ellos. Yes, it's fine. Muchas gracias.
We're having Peruvian tonight in Spain. Babe, what's that?
Pisco sours.
Pisco sour. And what's it made of?
Good question.
I think it's pisco and sour. I'm so smart. So we're having ceviche and
Lomo saltado.
lomo saltado. I'm excited to try it, love. It's like fish, sweet potato,
Tostado.
what you said, and
Mote.
Good morning, guys. This is our day 2 in Barcelona, and we just finished getting ready at 11 a.m. Can you believe that? I'm just gonna show you our hotel because it's really nice. See, this is the lobby. Look how grand the stairs are. We're gonna go grab breakfast, and that's David. So cold, you know. Dito na tayo sa breakfast place. It's called Crema 11. finished breakfast and we're going to Tibidabo. So, ang itinerary lang naman natin today is first, we're gonna go to Tibidabo. So, merong church doon na overlooking Barcelona. So, we can see Barcelona from the top. And then, after that, at 5:30 p.m., meron kaming... Babe.
I got shy.
Yeah. Yeah. Later at 5:30 p.m., nag-reserve kami ng ticket for Sagrada Familia. Then after that, basically yun lang naman. Explore around. Wrong way. Ay, may navigators. Not doing a good job. So dito, hindi ako nag-Google Maps. Siya lahat. Kasi pag ako nag-Google Maps, baka maligaw lang din kami. Oh, sorry. Next one. This is the Templo Expiatorio de España. So we're going all the way to the top. We need to buy the tickets first. It costs 5 euros per person. Look at him flexing his Spanish. Does he want English? We're climbing the stairs papunta dun sa statue. Nice. Ganda. Oh, careful. Medyo your head up. Careful on your head. So ngayon, paakyat naman tayo sa pinaka-highest point. Oh my God, you have to climb all the way up. Oh, your auntie is tired. I'm out of breath. I still can't believe it. Nandito tayo sa Barcelona. What? I'm like, what? Killing time kasi 5:30 pa yung schedule namin sa Sagrada. And I I really need a coffee to pick me up with. My energy was low na earlier. Gusto ko sana ng barista drink, pero hindi ko alam ordering in Spanish. Baka hindi nila ako mag-gets, kaya hayaan mo na. Ine-edit ko lang yung get ready with me video ko. So, if you wanna check that out, guys, follow my TikTok. And Instagram na rin. We got the shot na. So, after namin mag-take ng photos, dito lang kami sa bench. And that's our view. Dito pa rin sa harap ng Sagrada. We have a tour at 5:30 and it's only 4 o'clock. So, we're just gonna stay here, no?
For a little
Chill,
while,
yeah.
relax, see what people are doing, people watch. It's almost 9 p.m. and we're having dinner now. We are at Bar Anita and we have some rosé sangria, and for him, oysters. This is my first
Official tapas.
yeah. Ito yung first official tapas namin and we chose the non-traditional way. Right, babe? Because I feel like we'll have a lot of options to eat tapas in other, like, smaller cities that we're going, no? Like Granada, Padilla.
Third day here. This is the first time trying Spanish.
Yeah, third day here and first time trying Spanish food. How is it? Fresh. So we're having pork belly and patatas bravas.
Dame un grr,
¿Un qué?
un grr,
¿Un qué? ¿Un qué?
un grr,
¿Un qué?
un grr.
¿Un qué?